Hello everyone, I'm Gina, a Google Innovator and Google Certified Trainer. I'm excited to share my plan for our GEG community. Our community is a place where every teacher can get help, new ideas, and support. First, I'm building a strong network. Members will learn to create fun lessons with Google Workspace and use Google Tools or Gemini to spark creativity. Next, I will host fun workshops and online sessions. We will also hold boot camps twice a year so the members can learn new skills in depth. I'm setting up mentorship programs and events with other GEG groups. We already have strong ties with other residents and will meet both online and offline, so together we are strong. Let's connect, learn, and grow together. Because GEG is stronger when we work together. Join us now and be part of this inspiring journey. Thank you.